Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Telcoin. We're down bad in the crypto bear market. Telcoin is down more than 12.8% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 year, Telcoin is down 76.4%. Altcoins have been dumping to gobbling town, but they might just be light at the end of the tunnel. We might see them rallying to higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Telcoin US dollar price chart. Where will Telcoin be heading in the coming days and the coming weeks? How high can we see Telcoin pumping? Are we going to get a 100% pump to the upside or a 200%, a 300% pump to the upside? On the flip side, if we're going to start dumping to gobbling town, are we going to set new lows in this bear market? We're also going to be looking at Telcoin's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Telcoin's market cap, which comfortably sits around the $136 million region. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
With altcoins having difficulties right now dumping to gobbling town, we saw altcoins starting the year on a very bright note. A lot of them had huge pumps to the upside. For Telcoin, that huge pump to the upside started in October of 2022, and we saw Telcoin rally up by more than 173%. But since the rally ended for Telcoin in November of 2022, Telcoin has not been able to set new highs. We have been trading below the $0.0033 level where Telcoin got stopped out on the 3rd of December 2022. But there's a major bear market resistance there. Right now, Telcoin is still battling that price point. We might see Telcoin dump back to gobbling town. Guys, bear markets can be very tricky. Bear markets are designed to frustrate you. Bear markets are designed to liquidate both the bulls and the bears. We have seen Telcoin go through one full crypto bear market. Telcoin was launched at the end of the previous bull market. And what happened for Telcoin in its first full crypto bear market? We saw it dumping to gobbling town, losing around 99.38% of its value. But didn't that just happen overnight? We first saw Telcoin lose 97% of its value. Then we saw a little rally that came in for Telcoin, where Telcoin had a pump to the upside, where it rallied by 336%. But after we got rejected at that $0.0011 level, Telcoin went on the second phase back down to gobbling town, dumping by more than 94% yet again. But what I like altcoins is that even though they dump to gobbling town aggressively, they have this wonderful superpower where they can recover and even go to set new all-time highs. In the case of Telcoin, we saw a 95,000% pump to the upside in approximately 423 days. $1,000 invested in Telcoin should have returned more than $900,000 if you have held through the chaos of the bull market. But right now, Telcoin is going through another crypto bear market, and from the all-time high where Telcoin set in 2021 when it was trading around $0.062, we have seen Telcoin dump to gobbling town by more than 98%. If we see Telcoin pumping to higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks, key levels where Telcoin might face resistance might come in around the $0.0045 level. If we continue pumping to higher prices, Telcoin might even still get to as high as the $0.0089 level at some point in time in this bear market. Bear markets are rough, bear markets are brutal, but if you survive the end of the bear market, there's a huge pump waiting for you at the end of the tunnel. For Telcoin to rally to that $0.0089 level, Telcoin will have to rally up by more than 336% to the upside, and that's very possible, and that can happen very quickly. Take a look at what Telcoin has been doing throughout its existence. We saw Telcoin launch in January of 2018, and since then, Telcoin has been in the market for more than 1,898 days. And out of those 1,898 days, the huge pump we saw to the upside for Telcoin, majority happened from December 2020 till May of 2021. So inside the 1,898 days Telcoin has been existing, we have seen it pump to the upside for just 141 days. But that pump to the upside in 141 days give us more than a 373x pump to the upside. And that's why altcoins are very, very attractive. And that's why even though we're deep in the bear market, dumping to gobbling town, a lot of smart investors are accumulating altcoins, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. Guys, deep in the bear market is where you get good value for your money. Deep in the bear market is where you get your first 10x, your 20x, even your first 100x coin that will pump to the upside. All you have to do is survive the bear market and wait to the end of the next bull run. It's not as easy as it sounds. Remember, guys, mistakes you want to avoid. One of the most important mistakes you want to avoid in the bear market is going all in too quickly. Because of the volatility of altcoins, we can see huge swings in both directions. We can even see some fake pumps to the upside before we see massive dumps to the downside. I showed you guys how we saw Telcoin just rallying up by 400% in the bear market. And after that 400% pump, it gave us another huge 90% dump. So till we get to the bull run, every dump is to be faded. Every pump is also to be faded. If you are buying deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, you have to put in the back of your mind that we can always visit the lows from where Telcoin is trading right now. If we are visiting the lows for Telcoin, that will require us to dump by around 42%. And guys, remember, there's no even guarantees that will be the bottom. We might even drop to new all-time lows in this bear market. But I don't think that will happen. Worst case scenario, we'll come back to the lows. Best case scenario, Telcoin continue pumping to higher prices. But as long-term investors, you want to have some capital on the side. You want to dollar cost average through the bear market so that in case you see that once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, you will be able to take advantage of that opportunity. Let's take a look at some details about Telcoin. In the last 1 year, it has traded for as high as $0.0092. It has also traded for as low as $0.0011. With a market cap of $136 million, Telcoin has a fully diluted market cap of $205 million. A maximum supply of 100 billion tokens, more than 66 billion Telcoin tokens are in circulation. Telcoin is ranked 231 on CoinMarketCap. More than 160,000 people have Telcoin on their watch list on CoinMarketCap. If you want to buy or sell some Telcoin tokens deep in the bear market, as we're getting ready for the next crypto bull run, you can get some Telcoin tokens on KuCoin, on Uniswap, on SushiSwap, on Bybit, on BitGet, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you should be able to get some Uniswap tokens right there. And anywhere you get your favorite altcoins, you should be able to get some Telcoin tokens right there. If you take a look at Telcoin's performance against Bitcoin, we have been dumping to gobbling town, rightly so. Right now, we're below the bear market resistance band against Bitcoin. In the previous bear market, we saw Telcoin dumping to gobbling town, and after it dumped to gobbling town against Bitcoin, we couldn't trade above this red line till we got to the bull market. Immediately we got above that red line, what happened? A huge pump to the upside by more than 500% happened in just 12 days for Telcoin. We have attempted to pump above that line 2 different times in this bear market. We tried in March of 2022, we got rejected. We also tried in December of 2022, we got rejected. And if you take a look at what Telcoin did in the previous bear market, we got rejected 2 different times attempting to go above this red line. So maybe, just maybe, the third time will be the charm. Maybe, just maybe, we're going to see ourselves rallying to higher prices at some point in time in the coming days and the coming weeks. But remember, guys, volatility for altcoins work in both directions, and since altcoins dump heavily to gobbling time in the bear market, we see people running towards safety, which is Bitcoin and its Ethereum, and that's why you see Telcoin has lost so much value against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Against Ethereum, Telcoin is down to gobbling town. Telcoin has lost more than 94% of its value. We might still see dumping further down to gobbling town, but remember, guys, there's always light at the end of the rainbow. We saw Telcoin in the previous bull market outperforming Ethereum by more than 57x in just 132 days. Telcoin's market cap is chilling around $130 million. Telcoin's market cap got to as high as $3.2 billion in the end of the previous bull run. The lowest we have seen Telcoin's market cap go in this bear market has been $74 million, and there's always that possibility we can come back to test that lows at some point in time in this bear market. But if we see that pump to the upside in the coming days and the coming weeks, Telcoin's market cap might just rally towards the $500 million level. And the altcoin season index is telling us right now we're in Bitcoin month, and that has always been a telltale sign to load up on altcoins. The last time we saw a huge signal like this happen in the altcoin market was in November 2020. And guess what Telcoin was doing in November 2020, guys? That was the best time to accumulate some Telcoin, because if you had bought some Telcoin in November 2020 and you had held through the chaos, you would have seen more than 300x pump to the upside. Our quote of the day: A lot of people with high IQ are terrible investors because they have got terrible temperaments. You need to keep raw, irrational emotions under control. That was said by Charlie Munger. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you see Telcoin pumping to higher prices in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Or do you see us dumping to gobbling town? These are key levels to watch out for Telcoin in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.